Admitad Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to all relevant products and resources are in the description. The Admitad Affiliate Network is a global performance marketing platform that offers affiliates the opportunity to partner with top brands across multiple industries, including e-commerce, travel, finance, and tech. With over 1,000 advertisers and a diverse set of offers, Admitad provides both CPA, cost per action, and CPL, cost per lead models, allowing affiliates to choose the best strategy for monetizing their traffic. This network is ideal for experienced affiliates looking for a wide range of offers and flexible payout options. Features: Admitad offers a robust platform with tools designed to optimize affiliate campaigns. Affiliates get access to advanced tracking capabilities, detailed reporting, and real-time performance analytics to help refine strategies. The network supports various promotional formats, including banners, deep links, and APIs, allowing affiliates to tailor their promotional methods. Payments are made monthly with options like PayPal, wire transfers, and web money, and the minimum payout threshold is $50, which is reasonable for most affiliates. Admitad also provides affiliate support through personal account managers and offers training materials to help affiliates maximize their earnings. Who is it for? The Admitad Affiliate Network is perfect for affiliates with an established online presence, particularly those focused on e-commerce, digital products, and global markets. It's ideal for content creators, bloggers, and digital marketers with an interest in monetizing niche sites or large-scale operations. Whether you have a traffic-heavy blog, social media presence, or YouTube channel, Admitad offers the flexibility to monetize your audience through various offers. Strengths and weaknesses. One of Admitad's strengths is its global reach, with access to thousands of advertisers in diverse niches. The network's flexible payment options, competitive commission rates, and real-time analytics provide affiliates with the tools to optimize their campaigns and maximize earnings. However, a potential downside is that the network can be overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive range of offers and the level of technical setup required to fully leverage the platform. Final verdict: the Admitad Affiliate Network is a powerful option for experienced affiliates looking to diversify their offers and work with top global brands. With its flexible payout options, robust tracking tools, and wide range of niches, Admitad is a top contender for any affiliate marketer who wants to scale their business. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, Admitad is definitely worth exploring. Check the description for sign-up links and recommended tools. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing insights.